MarketPresso is brand new first marketplace builder software with commercial license that designed by Saurabh Bhatnagar to gets you more clients, higher amount projects, and builds your authority and kills the competition and earn more money than ever before by selling your digital products, physical products or services. This is world's first and only freelance and local business marketplace builder that created by Saurabh Bhatnagar and Karthik Raman. If you have products with commercial licenses and have been trying to sell them as services to local businesses, this is your chance. Dust all those commercial license products and put them to use with MarketPresso, or you can be a middleman by getting clients for sellers on Fiverr through MarketPresso and deliver the job to make profits. With MarketPresso mobile app, you get MarketPresso mobile app already published on Android and iOS. Tap into 3.2 billion hungry customer base and $1.8 trillion mobile app industry. Get in front of hungry buyers, get started selling through it immediately, and build customer loyalty and marketplace authority. And best part is you can save thousands of dollars of heavy development cost and several months of turnaround time and limited time bonus, unlimited mobile apps for all your marketplaces. Amazing features. Own your marketplace, putting you in full control. Build a list of prospects and clients so you always have revenue in the pipeline. No marketplace fees to start with so that you can keep more profits in your pocket. Stand out as an authority in your niche with a powerful way to present yourself to clients. Know precisely how to turn on traffic so you can get attention from your perfect customers anytime you want. Create online marketplace for anything you want to sell online. Messaging and texting. Creating categories. Creating submenu. Payment gateway, connect to collect payment. Unlimited hosted on our servers. Custom domain setup. Put your own logo and branding. Ability to add custom code for retargeting users. Profile page for branding. Offer categorization. Badges on offer. Inbuilt checkout system. Languages translation. Order notification and message notification via email. Notification system like FB on the main interface. User login. Testimonials, reviews. Customize your order processing form. Order info. Panel to show product details. Service info. SMS integration. Email integration. FAQ edition. Mobile friendly. User management. Customer's profile. Calendar. Ability to create basic standard premium package. Adding blog content for traffic. How it work. Step 1. Customize your design to personalize the marketplace. Step 2. List down all your services and product details. Step 3. Assign fixed, flexible or variable pricing. Step 4. Connect payment gateway. Package include MarketPresso. Can sell marketplace to clients. Can create up to 10 marketplaces. Create online marketplace for any service you want to sell online. Beautiful profile page for branding. Category. Subcategory. Smart menu. Highly converting service page. Service packages. Smart pricing. Inbuilt messaging system with clients. Real-time order and message notifications. Testimonials and reviews. Add to cart. Runs on our blazing fast servers with your branding. Payment gateway integration. Add custom code. Add badges on offers. Global languages translation, sell worldwide. Browsing history. Email integration. FAQ in your marketplace. Mobile-friendly platform. User management and customer's profile. 100% cloud-based app. User login. Adding blog content for traffic. Plus bonuses. MarketPresso Client Finder app. High converting ads, first 250 buyers. Free advertising credits worth $600, $800. AI brand domain software.